Alright, so I'm going to show you just by doing a screencast to see a little bit about what we're seeing in our middle school. We're having problems with the Metaverse experience not always playing. I'm more in the center of the building, but I'm not very far from an access point. If I open up Metaverse, and I'm going to go to this multiplication fact one, I'm going to play the game. When I hold it up, nothing appears on the screen. So I can do a complete 360 turn, and nothing comes on the screen. I can do a speed test quick just to show you that what my speed is. So I'm going to run that again. So run speed test. So 43 is the download speed. Upload is 48. So, from my understanding, that's not too bad. Now, if I go to a more exterior place closer to the outside of the building, so I'm not in the middle of the building, I'm more likely to have better results. So let's just try it again. I'm now in our library, and I am not very far from an outside wall. I hit that same one and hold it up. Nothing's appearing here either, but what we noticed is, it's not working. Sometimes when we turn in a complete circle, I'm going to try it again. Sorry, this is making you dizzy. It will, there. Now all of a sudden it came on, and I can do that. But out in the hall, we don't have that same luck. So I'm not sure if there's anything. We're just trying to figure out what the problem is. We had our network guy come out and take a look, and he just couldn't. He couldn't find anything. I can run a speed test in here to see what the network connection is. Just to double check here in the library to see how much difference there is from out in the. So the download is actually slower than it was out in the hallway.
I usually go here, but okay.
When I talked to the network guy, he said that he wondered if there was an internal compass that was being messed up on the iPad, but I don't know. Is there even such a thing? Yeah. So I'm looking for any suggestions. We really like the Metaverse app, but we are not feeling like we can create anything and send our kids out throughout the building because we don't know where it's going to work and where it's not. Thanks for your help.